Join me on this unboxing journey for a K&F Concept tripod. It was £45 off Amazon. I normally spend a lot less than that and they normally break, so it's, you know, you get what you pay for nowadays. Never used or bought a tripod as expensive as this before, but hopefully you'll enjoy the unboxing video and let's get straight to it. Right, let's get on with the unboxing. Hopefully I can keep the box in camera for the purpose of this video. Let's try and open it without trying too much mess of things really. Hopefully here you can see that okay, so let's have a quick look here. Have I opened it the right way? Oh, look at here, it comes in a nice posh bag. Didn't expect that. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that comes in a nice posh bag. Let's just get it out there. K&F Concept. So I guess this is the original box. Must be. Great stuff. Let's just move that out of the way without making too much mess. Oh, nice little carry strap. All you need there on your travels. But I'm just going to use it for making videos for my music. Wow. Let's have a quick look here. What you've got here? Well, you've got, I think, oh yeah, that's just a top for the tripod, the K&F Concept tripod. Let's have a quick look at this bad boy. Well, the case looks quite nice, and there's even something to make sure that it doesn't get too wet. Absorbs moisture. Well, so I'm told it does. I don't really know if it does or not, but we'll see anyway. So let's just move that out of the way. But actually, it's quite a nice bag. I'll just show you that again. It's actually quite a nice bag. If you're looking at, let's get it the right way around. It's quite a nice bag, so, you know, really nice. Right, so let's just get into it. It looks like most of it's fully assembled. I'm not going to assemble it now, but I'm going to just get it out and see what it's made of. Oh, it might be. So, right, let's just get this out here. So we've got a nice plastic bag. Unfortunately, no nice film to peel off, but some instructions and a nice bag. Excellent. So, instructions with, I might say, an Allen key. That's good, isn't it? Good old Allen key. Tripod instructions. Quick release. Yep, great stuff. Looks good to me. Let's have a quick look. So looking at this, it looks absolutely fantastic, to be honest. It's actually assembled upside down. So I guess that, don't try and put it the other way. So that's just absolutely fantastic looking at that bad boy there. Look at that thing there. That's a connection for the top, so you can even put, let's just have a quick look. I think you can put a camera in there. I think you can put an iPhone or something smaller. If we can just open this, we can just have a quick look and see what's in here. But just look at this. This feels so strong and sturdy. It's got quick release levers on here. You can see how it goes up. I think it's 64-inch from memory there, and it feels really stable and strong. The top of it there, if I just show it to the camera, the top of it there has actually got a level on it, so you can make sure it's level. It just looks absolutely fantastic. The whole thing is just absolutely great. You can see how all the old legs will just drop down. Just open it up, you can just pull it up and the legs will come down. But if you look at that, just look how sturdy and tough it is. Absolutely fantastic. Oh no, I guess that is to lock it and in locking position. There's a nice orange ball on top, so you can modulate it, and you can obviously tilt this. Now, that's what you call a camera tilt. I don't know if you can see it there. Let's just put it down here. That's what you call a camera tilt. Hopefully you can see that fine. I'll just show you that there. You can see the camera tilt there. Absolutely brilliant. Well, looking at this, it's absolutely amazing. Let me just lower it down so you can just get a slightly better view of it. Yeah, in there is just a little grab rail, a little grab box there for the camera. I can spend 20 minutes trying to open it, but I think you'll probably fall asleep there. But that's an absolutely fantastic, really great, fantastic tripod. Well worth the money. Well worth me not spending £10 on there or anything like that. It's absolutely superb. I'll be using it hopefully on today, and I think you can use it as a monopod as well, or mono rod. What I mean by that is you can just use it, just put the camera on top and hold it as like a steady device. But just looking like it's absolutely fantastic. I'm sure it'll be as good. Right, so I've now extended the tripod, the KF Concept tripod, and I haven't gone the full length, but you can just see what a great piece of kit it is. It's really strong, not like those, you know, really weak thin legs. It's really sturdy, and you can just see, you know, the quality build. It's absolutely fantastic. On the top here, that top actually slides off, so you can just attach it to your camera and then put it on there. It's also got an attachment for a phone as well. You can see you can actually you know, angle the tripod completely. What a superb piece of kit. And I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.